Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Bitcoin wallet address. So all we need to do is head over to an internet browser and head over to the website google.com and then just type in Trust Wallet and press enter. Now click on this top website, which is the official trustwallet.com. Scroll down and click on download extension. Now select your internet browser, and you can also use this on a mobile as well. You can download the official mobile application. So from here, just go and click on the add to Chrome button and select add extension. From here, click on create a new wallet. Go and set up a password for your account. Once you have created a password, agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Now scroll down again and click on no thanks, and just like that, our wallet is now ready to use. So we can click on open wallet, close out of this window here, and in order to go and see your Bitcoin wallet, we just need to select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies, click on the receive button and click on proceed. Anyway, now click on Bitcoin once again, and just like that, we are now going to receive both this QR code and also our Bitcoin wallet address. So you can simply copy this address at the bottom and you can begin receiving Bitcoin to this wallet ID. Now it's always a good idea to go and back up your account with memorable phrases. So you can do that by clicking on the settings button in the bottom navigation, click on manage wallets and click on backup your secret phrase. Now all you need to do is click on this show button and just make sure to write down the 12 words that display on the screen. That way, if you do end up losing your account, this is just another way to gain access to it, and it's really as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.